देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी कुछ बातचीत कर रहे हैं, सुनिए।
is underway to ensure a medical college or postgraduate postgraduate medical institute in every district of the country. The country has seen rapid progress in setting up 22 more aims. Over the last 5 years, we have been able to add over 30,000 seats in MBBS and 15,000 seats in post graduation. This has been the largest increase in the 5-year term of any government since independence. The Medical Council of India has been replaced by a new National Medical Mission, the new National Medical Commission, through an act of the Parliament. This will go in a long way in improving the quality of medical education, bringing it at par with the international standards. The fourth pillar is mission mode implementation. A well thought of idea on paper makes it only a good idea, and a good idea will implemented makes it a great one. Hence, implementation is very crucial. Here, I would like to highlight the success of India's National Nutrition Mission that is helping youngsters and their mothers. India is working 24/7 to eliminate TB by 2025. This is 5 years ahead of the global target of 2030. Mission Indradhanush has increased our rate of annual rise in vaccination coverage by 4 times. Friends, the central government recently approved the introduction of a new law for expanding education of more than 50 different allied and healthcare professionals. This law, once passed, will address the shortage of paramedical personnel in the country. It will also help India in supplying skilled resources to other countries. Friends, there are 3 things on which I would urge maximum discussion and participation. One is advances in telemedicine. Can we think of new models that make telemedicine popular on a larger scale? The other is related to Make in India in the health sector. The initial gains make me optimistic. Our domestic manufacturers have started production of PPEs and have supplied about 1 crore PPEs to COVID warriors. Similarly, we have supplied 1.2 crore Make in India N95 masks to all states. Third is IT related tools for healthier societies. I am sure you have the Arogya Setu app on your mobiles. 12 crore health conscious people have downloaded it. This has been very helpful in the fight against coronavirus. Friends, I'm aware of an area that is of great concern to you all. Due to a mob mentality, those working on the front lines, those on duty, be it doctors, nurses, safai workers, others, are subject to violence. I want to state it clearly. Violence, abuse, and rude behavior is not acceptable. Steps have been taken to protect you against any form of violence. We have also provided an insurance cover of rupees 50 lakh for those on the front line. Friends, I'm happy to see the fruitful journey of this university over last 25 years, which has produced thousands of medical and paramedical personnel who are serving the poor and the needy in this challenging time. I'm sure that the university will continue to produce health personnel of excellent quality and caliber that will make the state and the country proud. Thank you. Thank you very much.